Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when sleep option is missing on your Windows 11 computer. So when you click on the power icon and if you don't see the sleep option over here, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to restore default power option. For this, copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. Open command prompt, so type in cmd in Windows search box and then click on command prompt app. So make a right click on the command prompt app, then click on run as administrator, then click on yes to allow, and then paste the command over here, hit the enter key, and then close the command prompt, then restart your computer. So after the system restart, so click on restart, and after the system restart, sleep option should be back, but still you're facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and run Power Troubleshooter. For this, copy this command over here and then open the run box. So type in run in Windows search box to open run box, or you can go ahead and make a right click on the start menu, then click on run to open run box. Paste the command over here and then click on OK. And now click on next to perform power troubleshooting. So click on next and let the troubleshoot complete. And then you can go ahead and close this and then restart your computer. And then you can go ahead and check the sleep option. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and enable sleep in power options. For this, go ahead and open control panel. So type in control in Windows search box. To open control panel, click on control panel and then click on hardware and sound, and then click on power options and then click on choose what the power buttons does. Click on it and then click on change settings that are currently unavailable. Click on it, and if sleep is unchecked, you have to go ahead and check it. Now if the sleep option is already checked, then again uncheck it and then check it once again, and then click on save changes on the bottom and then restart your computer, and then you can go ahead and check the sleep. So restart your computer and then you can go ahead and check whether the sleep option is available or not. Still you're facing the problem. In that case, you can perform clean boot. So type in system configuration in Windows search box and then click on system configuration. Now go to the services tab and then put a check on the box which says hide all Microsoft services. So first of all, go ahead and put a check over here first and then click on disable all. In my case, the disable all option is grayed out. In your case, it will be highlighted. Because I already did it, that's why it's grayed out. So put a check over here first, then click on disable all, then click on apply, then click on OK, and then you will see the restart your computer, restart option. So restart your computer and then check the sleep option. Now still it's missing, then you can go ahead and perform this step, that is to update graphic card. So this has worked for many users, so it might work for you. So you can go ahead and use device manager to update your driver. In case that does not work, in that case, you can go ahead and update your graphics card driver from the graphic card manufacturer website. So for now, open device manager, make a right click on the start menu, then click on device manager and then expand display adapter, expand it and then select your graphic card over here and then make a right click, then click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. Now and then restart your computer and then check. Still you're facing the problem. Again, open device manager, make a right click, then click on update driver. This time click on search automatically for drivers, and this time go ahead and click on search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Now if the Windows Update find any update, go ahead and update it, restart your computer and then check. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case, update the graphic driver from graphic card manufacturer website. This has worked for many users. So if you have Intel graphic, then go ahead and copy this and then open this link in a browser. It will go ahead and show you Intel driver and support assistance. So click on download now. Now this has worked for many users, so it might work for you. So click on download now and then run this exe file and then click on agree, click on install, click on accept, click on yes to allow, and let the installation complete. Now once the installation is complete, it will tell you to launch. You will see the launch option, click on launch, and then it will open a different page and it will go ahead and scan your computer. Now after the scan, it will let you know if there is any pending update for Intel drivers. So if there is any update for Intel graphic card, you can go ahead and click on update. So click on over here, you will see the download option, then you will see the install option. After the installation, you go ahead and restart your computer and the sleep option should be available. In my case, all the drivers are up to date, so I don't see the download or install option. But in your case, you will see the download option for graphics driver. So update it, restart your computer, and that should go ahead and fix the problem. Now, in case if your computer has only Nvidia card, in that case, you can go to Nvidia website and then you go ahead and select your graphic card from the list. Make sure that you select your graphic card over here and select the operating system as Windows 11. So in my case, it's this one. So select your graphic card from the list and then select operating system as Windows 11. Then click on search and then you will see the download option. And again, click on download and let the download complete. Once you run the exe file, you will see this screen. Click on agree and continue, then put a check on the box which says custom, and then click on next, and then put a check on the box which says perform a clean installation, and then click on next. Follow the same process for AMD. So if your computer has AMD graphic card, go ahead and update your AMD graphic card from this link. And in case if nothing is working, you can go ahead and update your Windows 11. For this, go to the start menu, then click on settings, and then click on Windows Update, and then click on check for update. And once the update is installed, restart your computer and then go ahead and check the sleep option. So one of the steps should definitely help you to get the sleep option. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.